Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 11. So we have a diagram here of a region, Zabu region, and we are to use this diagram to answer questions 11 to 14. So, which of the following statistical methods is represented above, that is in this diagram? A. Dot map, B. Isohaline map, C. Flow map, D. Bar chart. So to answer this question, we'll look at what the best way we can define each of the options, and then we'll see which one matches the description given to us here. Now, a dot map is used to illustrate densities, and distributions of people. It's used to illustrate densities and distribution of people using dots, and each dot has a value of a certain number. So one dot, for example, could be equal to, say, 5,000 people. So that's what a dot map is. Now, for an isohaline map is a map that indicates points of equal salinity in the ocean. Points of equal salinity in the ocean. Now, for a flow map shows movement of people from one location to another. And then for a bar chart, of course, a bar chart uses rectangular bars to represent data. So from the descriptions of each of the options we have looked at, we see that this chart or this diagram given to us has lines that indicates the movement of people or objects from one location to another. So you have these lines indicating movements from this location to this location. You have these lines here indicating movements of passengers between this location and this, likewise this, and likewise this. So the best description for this is C, flow map. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and also for more past questions and answers. Thank you.